Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to make Maharashtrian style authentic black masala. Making authentic Maharashtrian style black masala involves dry roasting whole spices with oil until dark brown to unlock deep earthy and smoky flavors. It brings a rich depth to vegetarian and meat curries. This process takes about 20 to 30 minutes. To make Maharashtrian style black masala that stays fresh and fragrant for an entire year, the secret lies in roasting the spices individually in a little oil and grinding them to fine powder without adding any raw garlic or fresh ingredients. To make 1 kilogram of black masala, the total chili weight is usually around 1 kilogram. Other spices needed to make this masala are dry coconut, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black pepper, green cardamoms, black cardamoms. Also we need cloves, which is known as lavang. Also dalchini, which is cinnamoms and bay leaf, sesame seeds, stone flowers, nutmeg, star anise, also nutmeg mash and poppy seeds, also trifala and kube pepper. These are needed to make this authentic black masala. First step is to dry roast the slice of onions in a heavy bottom pan. Slice onions on a plate under sunlight for whole day. Then roast in a heavy pan. They will turn golden to deep brown, finally to patch black color. Second step is to lightly fry the bay leaves and black stone flowers, which is known as dagad ful, on open fire for 30 to 45 seconds until they turn crispy. Use a spatula or ladle to constantly toast the spices. They require continued movement to roast evenly without burning. Once they are well cooked, transfer the spices to the plate so they stop cooking. Next, in the same heavy bottom pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan and fry the cinnamoms, black cardamoms, green cardamoms, star anise, cloves and black peppercorns together. Cook on low heat for about 1 to 2 minutes until they puff up slightly and become highly fragrant. Keep all the spices moving in to ensure the even heat distribution. Fry for total 1 to 2 minutes until all the spices puff up and turn brighter green. Once they are well cooked and fried, remove from the pan. Next is to fry the coriander seeds. Fry coriander seeds immediately after the hot spices. Add little oil and fry the coriander seeds using low heat and continue stirring to keep them from turning bitter. Coriander seeds are highly porous and absorb heat rapidly, meaning they can burn in seconds. Dump the whole coriander seeds into warm oil. Use your spatula to keep the seeds moving constantly across the pan. Fry for only 30 to 40 seconds. Stop frying as soon as seeds turn light golden brown shade. Next step is to fry the dry red chilies and crispy up the chilies. Add 1 more tablespoon of oil and fry the red dry chilies on low heat. Shoot them continuously until they darken slightly and become crispy, but ensure they do not turn patch black. After they are well fried, turn off the heat. Fry it on open fire. After well fried, transfer to the bowl. In the same heavy bottom pan, fry the remaining red chilies on low heat. Shoot them also until they turn darken slightly and become crispy. Next is to dry roast the coconut and turmeric roots. Grate 500 grams of dry coconut. Heat large heavy bottom pan and add the coconut in batches. Move the coconut around constantly with spatula. It will turn light golden, then dark caramel brown. Finally, a deep smoky dark brown color appears. Next is to dry roast the turmeric roots. Place the whole root into the hot pan over medium-low heat without oil. Toast them around for 3 to 5 minutes. You will know they are done when they release strong fragrance and they look slightly puff up. Finally, it's time to mix all ingredients with burnt onion and red chilies in a big bowl. All your components are beautifully dry roasted, oil fried and cooled down. It's time to bring everything together in the big bowl. Before you start grinding, mixing them all thoroughly in a large vessel ensures that every single batch you put into the mixer has an equal portion of spices and chilies and coconut, also onions. They gives you perfectly uniform flavor throughout the entire 1 kilogram batch. Add the roasted coriander seeds, cumin seeds, sesame seeds, poppy seeds and your smashed turmeric roots and bay leaves. Add all oil fried whole spices, cloves, peppercorns, cardamoms, black stone flowers. Also add crispy pan burnt chopped onions and deep dark brown roasted coconut also. Use clean completely dry hands or 2 large wooden spatulas. Gently toast everything together until the chilies, onions and coconut are evenly distributed. Mix all the ingredients and ensure your hands are completely dry. Any moisture right now will spoil your all black masala. Gently dig from the bottom of bowl and lift upward. Ensure the heavy ingredients like smashed turmeric roots, cloves, cumins doesn't settle at very bottom. The crispy burnt onions and the dark coconut should be evenly distributed among the red chilies. Gently dig from bottom of the bowl and lift upward. Taking this big bowl of mixed ingredients to your local chili grinding mill or chili grinding center is the best way and absolutely best to grind 1 kilogram batch of black masala. The heavy automated hammer of chili Grinding meal. Crush the whole masala cleanly. This prevents the dark coconut and burnt onion from releasing too much oil. Gives you perfectly uniform, aromatic, free-flowing powder that lasts much longer for 1 year. Bring large, clean, completely dry plastic bag or containers to collect the finished powder from the chili mill operator. At last, pack your fresh mill pounded black masala powder tightly into your airtight containers. Now that has completely cooled down. Ensure your 1 kilogram of black masala stays aromatic, flavorful and mold free for the next 12 months. Keep your small portion in a small bowl for daily use. That is absolutely best way to handle this black masala. Keeping small portion in a small container every day ensures your main 1 kilogram batch stays completely safe from the kitchen moisture, steam and light. If you like this black masala, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.